Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a boy named Jack. Jack loved animals, especially dogs. One sunny afternoon, while playing in the park, he heard a soft whimpering sound. Curious, he followed the sound and found a small puppy under a bench. The puppy looked scared and hungry. Jack gently picked up the puppy and took it home. He gave it some milk and bread. The puppy wagged its tail happily. Jack named the puppy Buddy. They became best friends and played together every day. One day, Jack noticed a poster on a tree. It had a picture of Buddy and said, "Lost puppy, reward if found." Jack realized that Buddy belonged to someone else. He felt sad but knew he had to do the right thing. Jack called the number on the poster. A kind woman answered the phone and was very happy to hear about Buddy. She thanked Jack and came to his house to pick up the puppy. The woman gave Jack a reward, but Jack said, "No, thank you. I just wanted Buddy to be safe." The woman smiled and said, "You are a good boy, Jack. Thank you for taking care of Buddy." She gave Jack a big hug and left with Buddy. Jack felt a little sad but also proud. He knew he had done the right thing. From that day on, Jack always helped animals in need, and the village people loved him for his kindness. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.